Let's do question 1.3. 2 to the power m plus 1 plus 2 to the power m is equal to 3 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 to the power n. Where m and n are integers, then determine the values of m plus n. So what does that mean? We have to find the value of m, then find the value of n, and then we add them. Okay, what can we do to this? We can split the powers here. Remember the laws of exponents. When multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents. So remember this law: x times a times x to the power b, x to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. So when you're moving from this form to this form, we're saying we're splitting the powers, or we're splitting the power. So let's split this power here. It's going to be 2 to the power m times 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power m. Right. Most of the times when you see this, you just remember you have to split the power and factorize. Right, is equal to 3 to the power n times 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power n. Right, we have a common factor here, which is 2 to the power m. We have a common factor here, which is 3 to the power n. So we have 2 to the power m. Let's factor it out. We remain with 2 plus 1. Right, and then from 2 to the power m divided by 2 to the power m, we get 1 is equal to 3 to the power n, and then we get 3 squared minus 1. We factorize them, which is 2 to the power m, and then 3, then is equal to 3 to the power n, then 9 minus 1 is 8, right? If you check here, we have 2 to the power m times 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 to the power n times 2 to the power 3. So these things are equal, meaning that this 3 to the power 1 must be equal to 3 to the power n. And then 2 to the power m must be equal to 2 to the power 3. Okay, you see that from this you can deduce and say 2 to the power m is equal to 2 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 to the power n. Okay, so therefore 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 to the power n, and 2 to the power m is equal to 2 to the power 3. Right, therefore 1 is equal to n, and m is equal to 3. Therefore, m plus n is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4.